What's up, online shoppers? If you are looking for a quality thumb brace to help with arthritis support or a thumb sprain, look no farther than this one. Now, this is a really great way to prioritize your health and comfort with a multi-use thumb brace. It's a trigger thumb brace, actually, and you get not one, but two of these really cool braces, along with a little explanation book to show you how to optimize using it to help support your thumb and your arthritis. Let's figure out how to put this on. Now, I love that you actually get two of these in the box because you can have one and then have one to wash. The other great thing about this is they're not handed. You can actually switch them around from one side to the other. Now, to put this on, you loosen the Velcro and you slide your hand in. The inside of this is so fuzzy soft. It's really nice. Now, the thumb just naturally slides up in there, and you can adjust this to the right support. And then you've got two adjustment straps right here. One here that you can pull and bring around this way, and another one that's going to wrap around your wrist, nice and secure, and then Velcro right there. This is a really nice thumb support, really structured boning right here so that I can wiggle my thumb, but I can't bend it this way. And it feels really comfortable. It's definitely not restrictive in movement to my fingers. What provides the structure is two aluminum splints. So I'm just gonna open this one up and show you where that is. The aluminum splints are right here, and you can see that they provide a lot of stability, and they're actually preventing my thumb from really bending very much. The brace is really comfortable. Again, I said this inside lining here is soft and fuzzy, kind of like a fleece. This is going to go in the wash really well, and it's going to provide really good support. Now, this brace can help you to prioritize your thumb health, and it will help to support a variety of different conditions. If you have arthritis, carpal tunnel, thumb ligament issues, or tendonitis, it will provide comfort and support. The other great thing is you can get it in a package of two, or you can get it in a package of one. Now, as far as color choices, you can get black, pink, or gray, so you can definitely find a color that suits your taste. I'm definitely impressed with this, and I think this is going to be a family favorite at my house.